RoverTac Multitool, an axe, a pliers, a screwdriver, and so on. What we're going to do is get a twig, a branch, show you outdoors how we're going to use this product. But first we're going to open it up, show you every single detail the best we can, briefly over. A nice carbon case, belt strap. Open it up, Velcro, and inside will be your tool. And it is a nice size tool if asked. I have a nice large hand, as you can see, about 4 to 6 inches in size. It even has a protective leather cover for the axe that is pretty sharp indeed. So please be careful when using. You're not going to chop down a cherry tree with it, but you'll get things done. A hammer, an axe, a straight pliers, a wire cutter, a pair of pliers that opens up, the handle that you can squeeze tight, spring loaded, and inside the handle you're going to have your fish scaler, your file, a large screwdriver, wood chopping bit, and I'm not 100% sure what these are right here, the tips. And you have a multi-wrench tool, a bottle opener, and of course a screwdriver and a knife and a tail locking mechanism. Close this back up, lock the tail, put on the cover, don't lose it, and you can sharpen it up later on and put this on your belt, and whenever you need it, it's there to be used. The axe is right here in the pocket. I take the cover off and I place inside so I don't lose it. I got a tree branch here. It's not a giant axe, but you get the idea. If ever need sharpening, grab a sharpening stone. I have here is a piece of wood we need to cut. Bang in a nail. Cut a piece of cardboard or anything with the knife. Grab a large bolt and try to tighten it up or loosen it. You never know when you have something you need to tighten up. A bolt. A great multi-tool kit. Just about anything you can imagine that you could put this use to, that you need on a job or wherever you go. You may never know when you could use a small axe, small hammer, and a number of tools in one. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you. A great stuffing stocker gift.